So we came back to level 5. In level 5, we are going to use our second property of this particular game, that is align item. So if I'm going to align item, flex start, flex end, center, baseline, or like stretch, these are the items which is required for aligning any of the item, and it has its own way. If I'm putting start, it will be top of the container. If I'm putting bottom, it will be bottom of the container, center of the container, and we have this baseline of the container and stretch to the fit of the container. Okay, so basically you can see we have this. We need to help the frog to get bottom of the pond, and to use the bottom of the pond we will be having this flex end, which is the aligning to the bottom of the container. So we will be using this align item, and if I'm using flex end, so we have items, sorry, align item. So you can see my frog is came on the bottom of the container. Thank you.